Good morning, everyone. This is the news for Monday, July 21st. We begin this morning with a special report from Castel Gandolfo, where Pope Leo XIV issued a strong condemnation of the Israeli strike on Holy Family Catholic Church in Gaza. Last week, an IDF tank fired on the church, killing 3 and injuring others, including the parish priest. During his Sunday Angelus address, the Holy Father offered his prayers for the victims by name.
Prego per le vittime, Saad Issa Costandis Salam, Fomia Issa Latif Ayad, Najwa Ibrahim Latif Abu Daud. E sono particolarmente vicino ai loro familiari e a tutti I parrocchiani.
He concluded there by saying he feels close to the families and all the parishioners at the church. He also made this strong plea for peace.
Chiedo nuovamente che si fermi subito la barbarie della guerra e che si raggiunga una risoluzione pacifica del conflitto.
In English, again, I call for an immediate end to the barbaric war and for a peaceful resolution. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office said in a statement last week, Israel deeply regrets that a stray ammunition hit Gaza's Holy Family Church. The Holy See press office announced the Holy Father had taken a call from Netanyahu, but did not release details of what the Israeli leader said. In other news, police have identified a 21-year-old named Miguel Mora, who is in custody in connection with the late-night shooting of an off-duty Customs and Border Protection officer in New York City. News Nation's Marcus Espinoza reports from New York.
The suspected shooter has 2 prior arrests for domestic violence in New York and an active warrant after not showing up for a court date. Also wanted on a robbery charge back of December of 2024 and a felony assault stabbing from January of this year, both occurring in the Bronx. He is in custody in the hospital, expected to be arrested today for both incidents. Right now, police believe the victim was not targeted.
The 42-year-old officer was sitting along the water of Riverside Park just before midnight on Saturday when the person of interest walked up behind him with a weapon. There are only 3 people still missing from the July 4th floods in Kerr County, Texas. Officials say most of the missing have been found and are confirmed safe. County officials say search and recovery efforts will continue along the Guadalupe River. And a Delta regional jet bound for Minot, North Dakota, had to make an aggressive maneuver to avoid a mid-air collision with a B-52 bomber. The airline said the close call happened on July 18th. It is unclear how close the 2 aircraft got from each other. SkyWest, which operated the flight, is investigating the incident. Minot Air Force Base is home to a fleet of B-52s. That's the news this morning. I'm Matthew Handley.